Yo, good morning everyone. Now we're in Bangkok, Thailand. Now we're in the airport. We finished our journey here in Bangkok, Thailand. It's my birthday trip. Now I will start my journey to Koh Samui, and I will do 5 days detox program in Health Oasis. I will update you what will happen to me after 5 days. It's all about detoxing, meditation. Your health is the most important. I hope you subscribe. So my babe going back to Hong Kong. And
gotta come back, gotta get it back. So flagrant, taste flavors. Sugar around, body to the dance, red black.
yes, we arrived at Koh Samui. Less than hour flight. So now we'll find our service to Health Oasis. Let's see if they pick me up. So nice here, very chill. When you arrive, you will feel the serenity. Someone will pick you up here. Just me? Thank you so much, Ka. We arrived at Health Oasis. Now we're going to the reception. And we will check in. Welcome drink, tea living, detox. So good. More.
That's not my real name.
Name for English. Nice. It's cool. Nice. Thank you so much. Very good. This is the and we're here at the room. So this is an aircon room. I'll tour you around. Here we go. So there's your bed. And there's your toilet. Room tour finish. Let's go. Hi guys. So I arrived in Koh Samui. This is my first day. So tomorrow is the start of my 5-day detox program. I will take the transformation, full body transformation. So it will be consist of all liquid intake and some herbs. Update you what herbal medicine or detox for cleansing they will give me. My room is there. This room. That is training here. Some resistance workout. Their dumbbells, not so heavy, but it's okay. You don't need to do heavy stuff. We have a relaxation room. Pausing. I love. Let's walk around. See if we can find a authentic start the detox. Suddenly I crave for food, so I will look for some restaurant there. So just be careful, right and left. right and left, right and left. Let's see what's in it. Hello, Sawadee Krap. Let's see. Hi.
Something to eat?
Yeah, yeah. I'll check first.
Oh, you check first, okay.
Thank you. Thai restaurant.
Thai, we have many Thai.
Yeah. Do you have like vegetarian?
We can make.
We have. Ah, nice. Have some cannabis, like weed. So if you want to smoke weed here, it's legal. So I think this, yeah. So cannabis, no weed, no life. Let's say. So maybe we just take away some papaya salad, then we will order the vegetarian burger there.